Recording is already on progress. Allow TIS and Teacher Germain to record this afternoon session. Today is a Monday, and today is a grammar class. Okay, for the 6 of you who are with me, thank you for being with me today. I hope other kids will be joining us later on. So I wasn't able to meet the class last Monday because I have a very important work to attend to. It's election day in the Philippines. That's why teachers are tasked to serve during the election. That's why I wasn't able to meet you. Okay, nevertheless, I'm happy to see all of you this afternoon. Okay, let me ask you first. How are you, Catherine?
Very well, teacher.
Thank you. How about Oliver? How are you, Oliver?
I'm
Do you feel good?
fantastic.
Oh, you feel fantastic. How about
Yes.
Rachel?
Yes, miss.
How are you?
I'm fine, teacher.
Good. How about Jocelyn?
I'm great, teacher. Sorry, I've been busy lately, so I can't join your class. So sorry.
It's okay, Jocelyn. Um this is also my first time to be back again in class. I wasn't able to conduct a class last week. So it's okay. Aaron, how are you?
I'm good, miss.
Okay, good. How about Abraham? How are you, Abraham?
I'm fine.
Very good. You're also fine. Okay. So, excuse me. Okay, can you still recall? Let's have a review first. Can you still recall on the topic that we discussed last meeting? We were discussing about nouns, right? We were discussing about nouns. Who can give me the spelling of nouns? How do we spell nouns?
Nouns. Nouns.
Very good, Catherine. That's how you spell nouns. So what are nouns, kids? What are nouns? Or what is a noun?
Nouns are names of persons, animals, things, places, and celebrations.
Very good. So nouns are names. I repeat, nouns are names. Okay, when you talk about names, it can talk about names of persons, places, animals, things, and even celebrations. So allow me to share my screen so that you'll be able to refresh your mind about nouns. Catherine, do you have my screen now?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Okay, look
teacher.
here. Thank you. Look in here, kids. You have here nouns. So if we talk about persons, animals, places, things, and celebrations, we talk about nouns. Here, children, a boy and a girl, grandfather, doctor. Those are examples of, or these are examples of persons or people. The playground or the park, the school, the mall are examples of places.
Play.
Yes, we have here on my screen, We have the giraffe, the alligator, the zebra, the lion, the monkey are examples of
Animals.
animals. Yes. The clock, a pair of shoes, the plate, the fork, the scissor, and the spoon and the knife, a basket full of fruits are examples of things. When you have birthdays, New Year's, those are called celebrations. Those are also nouns. Kids, I also want you to take note that days and months. Okay, I remember we ended here. Days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are names or nouns. Okay, they are the days of the weeks. So it's an example of nouns. When we talk about months from January down to December, those are examples of nouns also. Okay. Catherine, do you know the 12 months of a year?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you say it to everyone, Catherine? What are the 12 months of the year?
Okay, teacher. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. Those are the 12 months of a year, and those are also nouns. How about Jocelyn? Thank you, Catherine. Jocelyn, could you also say it again? What are the 12 months of the year?
Wait. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay. And December. Okay. I would like to stop sharing first. Allow me to take a photo because Dr. Harry is asking for our attendance, okay? Teacher will take a photo. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll do it again. Kids, everybody, 1, 2, 3. Okay. There you have it. Oh, it's blurry. Sir Harry is asking for our attendance. I'll be sending it first. Okay. I'll be sharing again my screen. There's second chances, I get to you somehow. Catherine, do you have my screen again?
Yes, teacher.
So, again, the 7 days of the week and the 12 months of the year are all nouns. Okay, we also have the different body parts. From our hair down to our shoulder, to our waist, to our knees and toes, those are also nouns. Okay, if we talk about fruits and vegetables, these are also nouns. Okay, just a short review. Let us try to read and identify the pictures. Okay, can I have Aaron? Aaron?
Yes, miss.
Aaron.
Chair, elephant, pencil, doctor, ice, turkey, father, ice cream, daughter, best friend, rest, and man.
Very good. Can you give me an example of a name or a noun that talks about things? Things. Aaron.
No, si Julio. Ngerebut.
A pen.
Yeah.
Pen.
How Aaron? Can you give me a noun that talks about thing?
Sorry, teacher. I'm late.
Hi, Sundara. It's okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, Aaron.
Pen.
We have
Pen.
thing.
Pen. Pen.
Aaron, your microphone or your voice is very soft. Teacher cannot really hear you.
A pen. Pen. Pen.
Okay, so you have here the pencil. It is an example of a name of a thing. Okay? Catherine, can I have you?
Yes, teacher.
How about a name of an animal, Catherine? Catherine. Okay. So if not Aaron and Catherine, I hope I can move now to, can I have Abraham?
Yes.
Okay, Abraham, can you try to read all the nouns in here?
Yes.
Okay, okay, start from chair,
Chair. Elephant. Pencil. Doctor. I. Turkey. Father. Ice cream. Dog.
daughter.
Dogger. Doctor. Best friend. Dress. Man.
Abraham, can you give me examples in here that are names of persons?
Person. Person.
Yes.
Temple. Father.
Yes, we have father. What else?
Man.
Man, very good. There's still two. What else?
Doctor.
Yes, daughter. And we also have best
Best
friend.
friend.
Very good. How about in this part, Abraham? Do we have a name of a person in here? What is it?
Doctor.
Okay, it is the
Doctor.
okay. It is a doctor. Very
Doctor.
good. Okay, thank you, Abraham.
You're welcome.
Yeah, teacher will be stopping my presentation because I need to share another one. Okay. I hope you have my screen now.
Yes, teacher.
So we have here a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Okay, we are going or you are going to encircle each noun in the given set of words. Okay, I'll be having Abraham first. Abraham, I want you to read everything that I highlighted
Up.
for a while. Okay, go Abraham.
Up.
Next.
Back. Eat. Nuts. Nick.
Very good. Could you please tell me what are the nouns in that line?
Nick.
Yes. Okay. So we have
Nick.
Nick and come again.
Back.
Okay, we also have Nick and
Back.
Bat. Very good. Okay, thank you, Abraham.
You're welcome.
How about Catherine for the next set of words?
You. Bat. Ball. That. Tree.
Okay, what are the nouns for this line, Catherine?
Ball. That.
Yes.
And tree.
And tree. Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome, teacher.
How about Jocelyn for the next one?
Oh yeah, sure. Okay. Math, cap, run, today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the nouns are cap
Yes.
and mat.
Okay, you have mat and cap. So these two are examples of things. Very good. Okay, thank you.
No problem, miss.
Rachel,
Yes,
Rachel,
miss.
you next, Rachel. Oh, okay, you next, Rachel. The next, we still three more. How about this line? Okay, please
You,
read.
you, eat, be, do, well.
Do you think there are nouns? Do you think there is a noun in this line?
You,
Mm-hmm. You is a noun for you, Rachel.
um,
You is an example of a pronoun.
well,
Well, mm-hmm.
um,
Okay, if we talk about a well, wherein it is a source of water, well is a noun. Okay, W-E-L-L. It is, what do you call it? In ancient times, it is a source of water. Let me check first an image of a well. Okay, I hope my screen for a while. How am I going to change my back? Do I have? Okay, this one. Oh, is it blurry? Oh, I think I have to. Okay. Do you see an image of a well, class?
yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, on my screen you have here images of well. So what is a water well? Okay, you're going to dig upon the land area. Okay, it is a source of water. Okay, look here. So this for cartoons, that is how a well looks like. So well, look here. It's a traditional source of water. So well is an example of a noun. Okay. Rachel, I'll have okay for this line we only have well, which is a noun for that one. Let's move to the next line. Rachel, please read book.
Book, hook, that, arm, game.
Yes. We have many
Uh,
nouns in this line. What are those?
book,
Okay, good. It's a thing. What else?
arm,
Yes, arm, because it's a body part.
um, and game,
Game. Okay, for literal. Okay, game. And we still have one. Rachel.
hook,
Yes, hook. So could you please read the four nouns in that line? Book.
hook, hook, arm, game.
Very good. Thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, last line, last line. Can I have Oliver now to read the last line, Oliver?
Hat, book,
Hat.
what, play.
Very good. What are the nouns in this line, Oliver? What do you think are the nouns in this line? Okay, we have hat, but, what, foot, and play. We have two nouns in here, Oliver. What are those? We have two nouns. What are those? Oliver.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Please tell us what are the nouns. Okay. If not, yes.
Hat.
Very good. Hat is a noun. What else?
And foot. And foot.
Okay. And foot. Hat and foot are nouns. Good. Thank you, Oliver.
You're welcome.
Okay. I'm closing that one now. Okay, let's move to this one. Okay. Another set of words before we move to another lesson tonight. Okay? Another set of words before we move. I would like to have, okay, can I have Aaron first to read?
The big bus door.
There are, okay, there are three nouns in that line. What are those?
Tom.
What are the nouns? What do you think?
Tom.
Aaron?
This is Tom.
Yes, Tom is a noun. It's a name of a person. What else?
Door.
Come again.
Door.
Okay, bus is also a noun. And door is also a noun. Okay. Okay, next to Aaron. Thank you. Next to Aaron, I'll be back with Rachel. This
Yes,
line,
Miss.
Rachel, please.
Cat, stick, ape, win, this.
Yes. Please speak the nouns, Rachel.
Cat,
Very good. It's a name of an animal.
stick,
Okay, stick. It's a thing.
mm,
Do we still have more nouns in this?
no.
No, okay. No more nouns, so we only have cat and stick. Okay, thank you, Rachel.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, next to Rachel, Sundara now. Sundara.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please read this one, Sundara.
On, tilts, apple. Then
Yes. Yeah, you're correct, Apple.
apples. Mm, mom,
Yes.
pen,
Very good. Let's read it again, Sundara.
on, tilt, on,
Apple.
apple, mom, pen.
Yes. We have many nouns in this line, Sundara. What are the nouns in here? What do you think are the nouns?
Mm,
Yes, Sundara. For that line, we have four nouns, Sundara. We have four nouns. What do you think are those? First, we have,
tilt,
yes, child. It's a person. Next, we have
apple,
apple because it's a name of a fruit. We also have,
mom,
okay, we also have mom because it's a name of a person. And we also have,
pen.
it's a name of a thing. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sundara.
Thank you.
Okay, who would like to read the next line? Who would like to read the next line? Jocelyn?
Yes, sorry. Yes. Oh
Mm-hmm.
shoot. Wait. Sorry. Okay.
It's okay. Okay, go now. Rug.
Okay. Rock, go is one how.
Okay, we only have one for that line. And what do you think is it?
I think it's rug.
Okay, it is rug. Very good. Okay,
Okay.
next. Good. Kids, since there are only 8 of you today, please expect the teacher will be calling your names again and again or repeatedly because there are only 7 of you today. Next, let's have Abraham again for the next line. Abraham.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, I want you to read the next line, Abraham.
Dog,
Dog.
bike, sun, desk, room.
Yes. Okay, dog, bike, sun, desk, and room. We have many, many nouns in here. What do you think are those?
Dog,
Yes, it's a name of an animal. What else?
bike,
It's a name of a thing. Good.
desk,
Desk also is a name of a thing.
room,
Room is a name of a place, and sun is
sun.
also, yes, sun is also a noun. Okay, sun is also a noun or it's also a name. Abraham, do you know what sun is? S-U-N?
Matahari.
Yeah. Oh, again? How do you say that one?
Dex.
Yeah, the sun, which is very hot. It's the source of light and the source of, what do you call this one? It's the source of light, the source of hotness. So it is a sun. It is the center of our solar system. Okay. So everything in here, the dog, bike, sun, and desk and room are all examples of nouns. Good. Thank you, Abraham. Okay, lastly, we have the last one. Okay, thank you, Abraham.
You're welcome.
Yes, we will be moving to the last one, to the last pair. Let's have Sundara again. Sundara.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, let's read Sundara. Find.
Find. Are. It. Rat. Me.
Very good. So we have find, are, it, read, and me. Sundara, only one noun for that line, only one. What do you think is the noun? Only one. And what do you think it is? What is the,
Find.
come again?
Find.
Find. Find is a verb, meaning that means to look. Okay, I will be, look here. Our noun in here is the word red.
Rat.
Okay? Red is a color. Red is a color and it's a name of a color. That's why it is a noun. Go on. Okay, thank you for that one.
Thank you, teacher.
I will be going back to my okay. I will be going back to my PowerPoint presentation. Kids, look at my screen. Catherine, how's my voice, Catherine? Am I loud enough, Catherine, for everybody to hear so that everybody can hear me?
It's clear, teacher.
It's clear. Okay, everybody look at my screen. We have here the cat is on the bed. The cat is on the bed. We have here the nouns, cat, and we also have bed. Next sentence. Mother is in the kitchen. Mother is in the kitchen. What are the nouns? First, we have,
Mother.
okay, and then another noun is we have,
Kitchen.
yes, we have kitchen. Mother, kitchen are the two nouns we have in the sentence. Catherine, please read the next sentence.
Kenneth has a new bag.
Good. What are the nouns in the sentence?
Kenneth and bag.
Very good. Kenneth and bag. Okay, we have another sentence. I would like to have Abraham to read the sentence. Abraham?
Yes.
Yes, I want you to read, Abraham.
The boy has a toy.
Very good. Please tell teacher what are the nouns in the sentence.
Boy,
Very boy and
toy.
toy. Boy and toy. Thank you, Abraham.
You're welcome.
Rachel.
Yes, miss.
Okay, the next sentence is for you, Rachel.
Okay, miss. The kid goes to school.
Read it again.
The kid goes to school.
Very good. What are the nouns, Rachel?
Kid,
Oh, and the another one is
kid,
kid and
school,
yes, we have kid and school.
school.
Very good. Thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome, miss.
Um, Jocelyn, the next one is for you.
Wait, okay. The candy is sweet.
Yes.
Okay, so the nouns is candy.
Yes. The noun is, again, say it that way. The noun is,
The nouns is candy.
yes, we only have candy for this sentence. Thank you, Jocelyn.
No problem, miss.
Okay, probably it's the last sentence. Can I have Aaron now? Aaron? Aaron, please.
Naomi studies in Santa Lucia.
Yes, we have two nouns in the sentence. What are those nouns? First, we have,
Naomi,
yes, and the next noun is,
Santa Lucia.
yes, Naume and Santa Lucia. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Aaron.
Welcome, miss.
Oh, we still have another sentence, and this sentence is for Sundara. Again, the next one is for Sundara. Oh, my voice is very soft or very, it's not clear, Catherine.
Yes, teacher.
My voice is, how's my voice? Is it not, is it isn't loud, Catherine? Is it
Yes,
loud?
teacher.
Is it loud?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I'll be calling Sundara again. Sundara, hello. Okay, maybe Sundara's connection is not that steady. Sundara? Okay, I'll go back. I'll go now to Oliver. Oliver.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Oliver, please read the sentence.
Maria went to the mall.
Yes, let's read it again, Oliver.
Maria went to the mall.
Very good. Give me the nouns that you can find in the sentence. What are the nouns? First, we have,
Maria.
yes, Maria. The next one is we have,
Mall.
okay, Maria is a name of a person and mall is a name of a place. Thank you, Oliver.
You're welcome.
Yes, we still have another sentence. Jocelyn, I'll have you again, Jocelyn.
Okay. Wait. Mr. Tom works at the farm. So the
Yes.
nouns are Tom and farm, right?
Yeah, you're right. But we need to include Mr. Tom, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yes, because it's a salutation for Mr. Tom. Okay, Mr. Tom and farm.
Okay.
Okay, Jocelyn, the next sentence is still for you. It's quite long. Read it again. I
Mm,
read it, please.
okay. Noel bought flowers for her sister in the park.
I want you to read it again, Jocelyn.
Noel bought flowers for her sister in the park.
Yes.
Okay, so the nouns are Noel, flowers, sister, and I think that's all. Is park included? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. Because park is a name of a place.
Place. I thought place were the
Yes.
nouns.
Yes. So, Jocelyn, I want you to read the four nouns in the sentence. What are the
Okay.
four nouns we have?
Noel, flowers, sister, park.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Jocelyn.
You're welcome, Miss.
Yeah, so good. Okay, Catherine, the next sentence is for you, Catherine.
We celebrate the New Year in Indonesia.
Yes, Catherine
The
celebrated.
nouns are Ronnie, New Year, and Indonesia.
Yes, we have
Ronnie
Ronnie. New.
celebrated the New Year in Indonesia.
Okay, Catherine, say the nouns again. The nouns are.
Nouns are Ronnie, New Year.
Okay, and Indonesia. Very good. Thank you, Catherine. Okay. Um, we have here the last sentence. They bought fish, fruit, and vegetables in the market. They bought fish, fruits, and vegetables in the market. Kids, fish is a noun. We also have, okay, we also have fruit. What else? What are the other nouns in the sentence?
And vegetables.
Okay, we have vegetables and we also have,
Yeah. Market.
yes, we have market. How many nouns do we have in the sentence?
4.
Very good, Oliver. We have four nouns in the sentence: fish, fruits, vegetables, and market.
Also.
Very, okay, very good. So, kids, I want you to remember about nouns, okay? Please remember about nouns. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals, and things. Oliver, maybe you want to read the words that are flashed on your screen. Oliver,
Yes.
okay, I want you to read the nouns. Do you still have my screen, Oliver?
Yes.
Okay, please read Nicholas,
Nicholas. Farmer. Sister. Wong. Sister. Ender.
vendor.
Sorry, miss, I'm late.
Yes, Irene, it's okay. Okay, Oliver, all these nouns are examples of what, Oliver? These are names of,
People.
yes, these are names of,
Nicholas and Mr. Wong.
yes, people or persons. Oliver, look here. Spell persons. Spell
Person.
persons. P.
Persons.
Persons. Say it again. Person. Very good. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you. Yes. Erin, I want you to read the next one, Erin.
Yes, Miss. Classroom, comfort room, kitchen, Japan, Jakarta.
Yes. And these are examples of,
Places.
yes. Please give me the spelling of places, Erin.
Places. Places.
Very good. These are all places. Okay. So another example, Irene and Honey play in the park. Irene and Honey are examples of names of persons, and park is an example of a name of a place. Okay. Okay. So on my screen in here, you have here a picture of a teacher, right? Okay. Okay, the word teacher is already a noun, right? But if teacher will ask you, what is the name of the teacher? Do we know? Is there a given name of a teacher?
Yes.
Yes or is there a given name of a teacher? No, but if we say
No.
Miss, no, okay, no. But if we say Miss Germain,
German.
yes, if we say Miss Germain, it is already a proper noun, or there is a real name or a given name of a teacher. Okay, kids, take note or remember, teacher and Miss Germain are examples of nouns. But teacher here is a common noun, while Miss Germain is a proper noun. Okay. Why do we say Miss Germain is a proper noun? Because aside from it starts with a capital letter or a big letter, it is a real name or there is a given name of a person. Another example. What do you see on my screen? It is a picture of
Boy.
it's a boy. Do we know what is the name of the boy or who is the boy? Is there a
No.
given name? No. Okay, boy is a common noun, but if teacher will say Ronnie, it is already a proper noun. Take note, boy, take note, boy is a noun. It's a common noun. But if we already have Ronnie, if we already have Aaron, Alfonso, Oliver, those are examples of proper nouns or a proper name. Another. What do you see on my screen?
A dog. That is a dog.
Yes, it's a dog. Okay. Do we know what is the name of the dog or who's the dog?
No.
No. Dog is a common noun. Okay, dog is a common noun, but if we say Max, Max, it is already a proper noun. So you'll be asking, teacher, why is it a proper noun? Because Max here is the name of a dog. Okay, Max here is a proper noun. So Max is a proper noun, while dog is a common noun. Next one. What are these? What do you see on my screen?
That is a chocolate.
Yes, those are chocolates or chocolate. Okay, if we only have the word chocolate, it's of course it's a noun, but we don't know the name of the chocolate. But specifically, if we say Toblerone, Toblerone, it is already a proper name or a proper noun for a chocolate. Okay, chocolate, it's a common noun, but if we say Toblerone, it's already a proper noun. Okay, look in here. I just searched this one in the Google. We have here Grand Indonesia Shopping Town. Do you have that? Do you have this place in Indonesia? Have you visited this one, Catherine?
Yes, teacher.
It still exists now. The Grand Indonesia Shopping Town still exists in Indonesia.
Yes, teacher.
Wow. How about Rachel? Have you visited this place, Rachel?
Yes, Miss.
Wow. Is this near your place, Rachel?
What, Miss?
Is it near? Is it near from your place?
Um,
Not so much. Not that near. Okay. How about Jocelyn? Have you visited this place, Jocelyn?
I don't think so. I think it's like in Jakarta, I guess, and I'm in Tangerang Selatan. So, no.
Oh, okay. So it is far from you. That's why you were not able to visit this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So this image in here, kids, this image in here is an example of a mall. It's a place, right?
Yes.
A teacher. Yes, it's a name of a place. Okay, but if we say Grand Indonesia Mall, Grand Indonesia Mall, that is already a proper noun. Why do we say it's a proper noun? Because it is a correct name of a mall, or it's a given name for a mall. Okay, we have this one. Jocelyn, please read the nouns in the yellow box.
Okay. Teacher, boy, dog, chocolate, mall.
Okay, how about in the purple one?
Miss Germain, Ronnie, Max, Toblerone, and Grand Indonesia.
Yes, all of these nouns or all of these words are examples of nouns. Take note, all of these words are examples of nouns. But what's the difference? What's the difference? In the yellow box, these are common nouns. Take note, these are common nouns. While in the purple box, you call that one as, how do we call it? It is,
Super nouns.
yes, it is proper nouns. Mm. I want you to take a photo. If not, you write it down. Or if not, I want you to remember it. Okay. Since it's almost time, but I am not ending yet the class, but it's almost time. If we can, oh yes, we cannot finish this one. We cannot finish discussing it this time. So we will be continuing on Wednesday. Okay? We will be meeting again on Wednesday, right? Okay, we will be meeting again on Wednesday because Dr. Harry gave another schedule for this class. So we will be meeting twice already in a week, Monday and Wednesday. Then another class on Thursday that's for the blue book. Okay, I'll go back. Yellow box, common nouns. Purple, those are proper nouns. Okay. So what are common nouns? What are common nouns? Catherine, please read.
Common nouns. Used to name general items, not specific. Sister,
The examples, please.
example. Sister, church, mom, cat.
Okay. Oh, sorry for that. So common nouns are used to name general items. Okay. They are not specific. So if you're not kids, common nouns also starts in small letters. But if it's at the beginning of the sentence, of course, it should start with a capital letter. Okay? Okay, general items and not specific. If we say sister, do we know the name of the sister? Month? Is there a given name of a month? Okay, there's none. If we say cat, cat, C-A-T, is there a given name of a cat? Okay,
No.
shoes. What kind of shoes is this? So not if it's not specific, we call that one as common nouns. Again, we call that one as common nouns if it's okay, if it is not specific. Okay. Next, we have proper nouns. We will be ending this one. I'll have Jocelyn to read. Jocelyn.
All of it, right?
Yes, Jocelyn.
Okay. Proper nouns. Used to name specific person, place, animal, things. Starts with a big letter. Oh wow, Alicia is my name. Alicia, Mike, Air Force, February, and Moy.
What's your full name, Jocelyn? So, teacher is not right if I'm calling you Jocelyn.
No, that's one of my long name.
Oh, so what's your full name?
Uh, my full name is Jocelyn Alicia Hilkiana Panggabean.
Oh, Alicia, Jocelyn Alicia?
Ya, Jocelyn Alicia Hilkiana Panggabean.
Wow, that's too long. Okay, but it's okay with you if I call you Jocelyn.
Yeah, it's okay.
Most of your friends call you Jocelyn or do they prefer calling you Alicia?
No, they never called me that. They often called me Joy.
Oh, Joy, short name for you.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. So let's go back for a while. We have here proper nouns. Take note, proper nouns. Okay, used to name specific person, place, and animals. Okay, animals or things. Take note that proper nouns starts with a big letter. Okay, proper nouns starts with a big letter. Alicia. Example, Alicia is a name of a person. February is a proper noun for a month, right? Nike Air Force is a proper noun for a shoes or a pair of shoes, while Moy is a proper noun of a name or it's a name of an animal. So proper nouns, they are more specific. There is a given name and it starts with a big letter. Okay, I want you to take note of that one. Here's another example. Okay, before we end, I think, oh, is there a new teacher coming? Okay. There's no teacher yet, so let's continue for a while. Number one, we have Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia is a name of a country. So do you think it's a proper or a common noun?
Proper.
Yes, Indonesia is a proper noun. Okay, it starts with capital letter I and it's a name of a country. Next. Number 2. Okay, how about if we have Coca-Cola? Come again?
Proper noun.
Yes, Catherine, you're right. It's still a proper noun. How about number 3 if we only have the word president?
Common
Is there a
noun.
given name for a president? Yes or no?
No.
No, that's why president is an example of.
Common noun.
Okay, president is a common noun. Again, Coca-Cola, that is proper. Indonesia is also proper. How about cell phone? Cell phone.
Common noun.
Yes, it's still common. And how about January? January.
noun.
It is proper
Proper
noun. Okay, very good. Okay, I have stopped sharing my screen because it's almost time. It's already past 6 o'clock. 5 minutes past 6 o'clock. Okay. On Wednesday, we will be continuing our discussion on common and proper nouns. I hope to see you again on Wednesday. Okay. Thank you, kids, for being with me. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank
you,
you.
Miss.
Thank you,
I'll
teacher.
see you again next meeting.
See you
Thank
next
you.
time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Jocelyn. Bye,
Bye.
Catherine. Thank you. Aaron, thank you.
Bye.